Referral bonuses in reward apps are designed to bring new users into the system, not to create consistent income. Most of the value only appears when both you and the invited user complete specific actions. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of reward apps that offer referral bonuses, how those bonuses are structured, and what actually determines whether you can withdraw the referral earnings. Start with what a referral bonus really is. In most apps, the bonus isn't just free cash. It's tied to conditions like account verification, first activity completion, or minimum earning thresholds from the referred user. So the reward depends on behavior, not just the invite link. First category is survey reward apps with referral incentives. These apps often reward you when a referred user signs up and completes their first surveys, meaning the bonus depends on active participation. Second category is game reward apps with invite rewards. These apps usually unlock referral earnings after your invite installs a game and reaches a certain milestone inside it. Third category is cashback apps with referral credits. These apps often give you bonus credit when a referred user makes a qualifying purchase through the platform. Fourth category is micro-task platforms with referral systems. These apps tend to reward referrals only after the new user completes a set number of tasks or reaches a verified earning status. Fifth category is hybrid reward platforms. These apps combine surveys, games, and shopping rewards, and referral bonuses are triggered based on multiple types of user activity. Now here's what actually matters more than the referral bonus amount. Qualification rules decide whether you actually receive the reward. Many bonuses stay pending until conditions are fully completed. Timing also matters. Some apps release referral bonuses instantly, while others delay payment until verification checks are done. And user activity matters the most. If the referred user doesn't stay active, the bonus may never unlock. So referral bonuses are less about high payouts and more about whether the system validates real engagement. Summary: referral bonuses in reward apps depend on user activity, verification rules, and completion conditions. The advertised amount matters less than the requirements behind it. Real value comes from qualified actions, not invites alone. Next step: test one reward app referral system by inviting a single user and tracking exactly what conditions must be completed before you receive the bonus. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.